What's up, tube? Today is Friday. Friday, April 20th. 420. Happy 420, guys. Headed to the shop right now. It's about 8:10 a.m., so I'm a little early. We don't open till 9, but I like to get there early. You guys know that. So today is Friday, guys. Not quite game day. I call game day Saturday because it's a busy day, but today is going to be pretty busy also. Today I'm going to be short-handed. One barber for sure, because Big Tone has a funeral to go to, so he's not going to be there. Hopefully Fido shows up. There'll be at least 5 of us working, but if not, I'm ready, guys. Oh, check out my new hat. Ooh, I'm geared up today. In case you guys didn't know, it's Raider Nation up on Big Al's Barbershop. Guys, today I want to talk about why you need to have a license to be a barber, okay? Why you need to be licensed, all right? Okay, guys, why you need to be licensed, okay? This is my opinion, first of all, okay? If you want to call yourself a barber, I know about it everywhere in the world, because I know I have some followers that are from the UK. I don't know how it is in the UK, but here in the States, you have to be licensed to be a barber. You have to, especially in California. I'm California. There's a state board that governs us, and they go around and pretty much monitor that, make sure that we're using the proper techniques, that we're being sanitary, that we're protecting the public, basically. And these people do come around, guys. In my shop, they've been there 3 different times. In 9 years, they've been there 3 different times. And they usually come and they usually tax us. It is what it is. That's what the state board does. And they don't come for nothing. They never come and not cited us. So they always cite me. For some reason or another, they'll find something to cite me for. Now you're probably wondering, what do these fines go for? These fines can go anywhere from $100. Usually they're $100 a piece. Last time they came to my shop, they got me for $400. So, you know, it is what it is. They come and we have to deal with it. But, you know, guys, if you're starting off and if you're going to barber school, or if you're already a seasoned cutter and you don't have a license, you know, me as a professional barber, I always recommend that everybody get a license, guys. Everybody. You should have a license and you should be using it. And there's different ways of obtaining that license. You know, you can either go to barber school, or you could do the longer program, which is the apprentice program, which you have to get a sponsor. And that sponsor, pretty much, you know, I've had several apprentices at my shop. Right now, I have 1 apprentice. I just had one of my barbers get his barber's license after being an apprentice for 2 years. So I've already had an apprentice graduate and get his barber's license, which is nice. He started with me when he was very young. Started with me when he was 17 and a half, right out of high school. Now he's 21 and he's got his barber's license, and he's a seasoned barber, you know. Good for him. So those are the 2 main ways you can become licensed. You either have to go do your 1,500 hours, it's 1,500 hours in barber school, and during that time you're basically working for them and you're not making any money. Or you could be an apprentice. An apprentice is you have to do 3,500 hours, and you do those in the barber shop while you're working and earning money. That's the difference. So being an apprentice is better, takes a little longer, but you get more experience, and it's better for you guys. It's a better program. You learn more, you know. if you want my opinion, this is come from me. This is personally, okay? If you're gonna be a barber, then you need a license. Everybody does. You know, that's just the way it is. I had to go through it. You got to go through it, whether it be barber school or an apprenticeship. Go out and get that piece of paper, because without that piece of paper, guess what? You're not legal. And if you ever get caught in a barber shop, it's $1,500 fine. $1,500 for fine for you, and $1,500 fine for your owner. So, I mean, it's better to just get the piece of paper, guys. So check it out. If you're a barber and you don't have a license and you're already been working for years and whatever, you know, however long it may be, or you're just getting started and you're already working in a shop, my recommendation is get licensed, guys. Get licensed, get your license, you know. And if you're already barbering, you're already working in a shop, it's easy as easy as, you know, getting an apprenticeship and just keep working, you know, and just do your hours and go do your class, your 400 hours of class work. I know it's a hassle, guys, but you know, this is what it is to be in this business. You know, you have to be licensed, you know. That's my opinion, guys. Right now it's about 2:30. I'm gonna head back to the shop. It's been pretty busy. I mean, I haven't been all crazy busy today. I know it's a Friday and everything, but it's kind of an off day at the shop today. We're down 2 people, and we're still not. At least I'm not slam busy. I've been working, but I haven't been slam busy. It hasn't been packed in there. So we're gonna head back over there and finish off the day, and I'll get back with you guys later.